Hi students, today we are going to learn sources of history. You know students, there are different types of history: political history, cultural history, economic history, social history, diplomatic history and intellectual history. But students, you want to learn of the history, you need some sources of history. There are two types of sources of history. First one is primary and another one is secondary sources of history. Primary sources created at time of event, like oral records, unpublished document, published documents, visual artifacts. Historical researchers use census data and historical map. Secondary sources of histories are book and general articles. Primary sources, see some pictures are here, and secondary sources like books, newspaper, magazines, maps. These are the sources of primary. Some sources are orally also. Type of sources or evidence: artifacts, images, oral and writing. Some sources of written by in or some sources are oral. What is evidence? There are different types of evidence. Oral evidence like interview with the people. Written evidence like documents, newspaper, letters, books. Pictorial evidence like drawing, photographs, objects, examples of furniture, pottery, etc. The object of the evidence, the provide evidence as to how life was like at the time, examples of building, furniture, pottery, etc. Some evidence of sources. Primary sources means a first-hand account, record or evidence about a person, place, object or an event. It's called a primary sources of history. Secondary sources, an account, record or evidence that comes from an original or primary source is called the secondary sources of history. I hope students, you understand the two types of sources of history, the primary and secondary. Thank you.